Hey, great day. You will achieve what you believe strongly. Today I came with one good topic where you can know the major aspects of your life in terms of financial. That is, what is the 30-day rule of saving money? So everybody, every individual knows that we can manage the money in a right way, we can spend the money in a right way, but nobody, no individual having such real justification about the spendings on a monthly basis or daily basis is not happening. Is it right? No. If it is yes, please below give your comment. So that's why I bring to you the golden nuggets about the parameters where you have to concentrate about your emotional touch and intelligent quotient touch to be in such a way where you have to be more eventual informations to be gathered and need to do the works what is important for gaining the information about managing the money in a managing the money for doing the things in a right way, how it will be impact in your life and why it will be impact you. So that is a major thing about spending money. That is, today I came up with a one good most golden nuggets which I am giving to you. So please don't skip the video and please listen this video till the end so that you see the real change of yourself in terms of financial and in terms of your spendings. So why wait? Go and dive into my video so that you have a clear visibility about the exact meaning of what is the 30-day rule of savings money. Hey, I'm Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. I'm in a mission to empower 1 million working professional and entrepreneurs to build the wealth in a phased manner and achieve the wealth within the stipulated time frame by understanding the root causes of the wealth. That's why I created root analysis wealth model. So please go and visit my website www.madhukodidala.com so that you have a clear visibility about myself and what I am doing and why I am doing these things. So that you have a clear information and clear visibility and clear justification about the parameters where I am going to tell today and about the financial matters and about money management and about the debt management. What are all the major aspects you as an individual need to be work on? So why wait? Please go and visit my website. And also coming to my present topic, today's topic is what is the 30-day rule for savings money. I'm sharing my screen to you for your better understanding so that you have a clear picture. If you want to take the snaps, you just take the snaps. Otherwise you just have a digital note also so that it will be useful for you to have a clear visibility. Just wait 1 minute and I'm sharing my screen to you so that you have a clear information. Thank you very much. 1 minute. Yes. Thank you for sparing your time. So that what is the 30-day rule for saving money? You know why it is important in our life? Think, is it really need for you? Is it really need? We need to have such amount whatever we are spending in a monthly basis or daily basis whenever you are going for a shopping, whether you are purchasing that particular products or services. Is it really need for that particular month? You just think about that thing, think about that twice or thrice at least so that you have a clear information, clear visibility about the particular product, whether you are purchasing the product in a right way, whether it is really need of yours in the particular month or not. You just see that particular scenario so that you have information whether that particular planning to purchase product is really useful for this month or not, so that you have a clear visibility about your exact criteria of purchasing that particular product. At least wait and delay the purchase of your desired product or service for 30 days. Why I am calling this 30 days means if you still want to make that purchase after those 30 days, go for it. But why I am telling all those things is because if you wait 30 days, it will see the real emotion about the particular product, whether you are planning to purchase that product is really important for you or not. Suppose you went for any shopping mall and need to purchase anything. If you are purchasing something, it will really useful or not. See in your home how many unnecessary items you purchased, whether you are using that items purchased for just going to departmental store and seeing that item and purchase that item. Is it really no? So please think about that parameter. This works, always this works. Before purchasing anything, wait for 30 days. If any non-essential items you are planning to purchase will have emotional touch. So why I am calling this emotional touch? Suppose you as a person, you as an individual going to the departmental store or any shopping mall, you are just seeing the product what you like, or you are planning to purchase that particular product. Is it really required for the particular thing for your life or not, whether it is essential or not? Just rethink and go for it. If you rethink and have a plan about the particular product is really need on a particular day, then you just go and wait for at least 30 days so that you just think about the parameters and criteria about your financial matters, then have a plan to purchase and identify the needs and wants. What is why you need to identify your needs and wants? You just think about that. Is that particular product is really need for me? Is that particular purchasing planning to purchase that product is really useful in my life or not? You just think about that. Simply I'm giving the example like that. You have purchased like unnecessary items in your house. Suppose your child has asked something unnecessary things, you plan purchase, you purchase things, but your child was unnecessary, is not using that particular product, and you simply that the amount is wasted. So you just have that. Always the child will ask n number of times, n number of items to you. But think about the parameters. I'm not talking about only child. It is for your personal, for your household, for your family purpose, or for your friends, even anybody. So you just have such clear visibility and clear authenticity about that particular product is really want or not, so that you have a clear image whether that particular product is need or a want. And instead of spending your money on something you might not need, you are going to take the 30 days to think about it. So please think about that particular product, whether it is really need for you or not, should be very clearly, so that you have a major scenarios in your life, major scenarios about the particular parameter of particular product, whether you want to purchase or not. You should be have such clear information, clear visibility about that particular situation of particular product. So think about twice and wait for 30 days. See the change of yours. Again I'm telling to you, instead of spending your money on something you might not need, you are going to take 30 days to think about it. So if you really want, go and purchase that in the next month. But if it is emergency, then you have a clear picture. If you want to major overspending criteria, you want to learn the things, please go and visit my website www.madhukodidala, or visit my YouTube channel. There I clearly given the overspending topic, overspending golden nuggets has been given. Go and visit and go and dive in that video so that you have a clear image. And the major scenarios about this thing is non-emotional purchases. It will comes to emotional out of your spendings. How it will impact you for particular thing, how you non-emotional purchases will impact to the emotions out of your spendings, how it will be major situations will incur to avail that particular product in a right manner or not. You have to think about these things so that you have a clear visibility. Is this really effective? Think about, is this really effective for you? Just I'm giving example. You are going to the departmental store, or you going to the shopping mall. You went along with your accompanying with your friend, and just your intention is not there to go and purchase anything in the department. You're not intention to go to the departmental store or any shopping mall, but you just accompanied with your friend, and they seen any product over there, and you purchase that. Is it really need? Is it really because you are also having a credit money? Free money is there nowadays. All banks are giving. If the salaried person, if you are salaried person, the credit cards are giving as like that to the bank by the banks to the customers who are a salaried person, business persons. Simply we have a credit limits. So simply we go and purchase and using our credit cards, and after month end we'll see that unnecessary I purchased that product. Today I'm taking burden to pay that particular amount, and and also the banks are giving the free EMIs to you. We are lacking and burdening on our heads about that particular product amount. Think, is it real or not? So please, whenever you are accompanying anything, don't go for purchases. Wait for 30 days and think about that particular product. If you really think, if you really want that particular product, if you really need that particular product, go and purchase in exact 15 days or 30 days later. So that adjust whenever you are planning to manage that particular product, whenever planning to purchase that particular product. Everybody is having mobile phones. You just go and have a message or a notes. You just write down, I'm planning to purchase this thing and the so and so date. Just punch that date. You see after exact that particular date, if you after 20 days or 15 days or 30 days, you see that if you really want that particular product, go and buy. If you think that emotion touch will not come to your heart, then don't buy. So that is a difference. So please see the difference about your parameters of particular scenarios where you have to manage everything in the spending matters. What it is, that's why it will really impact if you wait 30 days. Or I'm giving the 30 days rule. You just wait for 10 days, or you just wait for 1 week, or just wait for 15 days also. So it will impact at any cost. So please, whenever you are going for shopping anything along with your friends or family, or accompanying with any, or singly you are going to any place to just for entertainment purpose, think twice before purchasing any not essential products what you are planning to purchase. See your bank balance after 30 days. It will really change. So if you are using credit card also, see the difference. Earlier credit card limit, present credit card limit. If you are using the debit cards, if you have money, if you are using the debit cards, see the bank balance of your previous month and now this month. So that change will happen at any cost. That is my confidence to you all. So please use the 30-day rule whenever you are planning to purchase anything. It will change the matter at any cost. It will see the real transformation of your life in the matters of money while spending your non-essential products and services by monthly. So why it will most important is whenever you are spending something, you have to be clear picture notation about the particular product, why it is important, whether it is impact to my life or not. Whether you're purchasing a mobile, anything, a mobile or laptop or cameras or any necessary items you are planning to purchase, whether this particular is useful to me or not, whether it will be impact in my life or not. So that you just think about that parameter. Just I'm giving the examples to you. Just think about the products what you are going to purchase in the departmental stores or any shopping malls, because we have a credit cards. Is it right? No. So simply we will go and swipe the cards and we'll purchase the products whatever we want. Later at the end of the month, the credit card bill will come. Then we'll realize that simply we purchased this product here. So that is a major scenario. So please, everybody come across the situation. Every individual will come across the situation. That's why I'm using that. Please keep aside the credit cards while you are going to the departmental stores. Use your debit cards. Have a clear financial goal, clear path of the financial freedom. I made videos about the financial freedom and financial authenticity in my YouTube channel. Go and visit madhukodidala.com. So that madhukodidala.com, you see the real videos there where you can use that information, use that golden nuggets and implement in your life. Definitely you will see the real transformation as a person. You will resonate your individual personality towards the achievement of your financial freedom. You will see the real change of you. That is my guarantee to you if you have a clear path about where you want to go in terms of financial matters. Everybody want money, everybody need money, but how we need money, how to attain money, these are all the matters. Only the thing is where you are spending, how you are spending, and when you are spending is the matters, and you need to have a clear justification for that. So please have a clear visibility about the parameters where you need to understand the things so that you have a major impact in your life. That's why I'm giving the information, I'm giving the golden nuggets here so that you will get benefited for analyzing the parameters, analyzing the criteria, and analyzing the areas where I need to where you need to manage and you need to improve yourself in terms of spending. Thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala, and if this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe and share to your friends so that they will get benefited, and ask them to share to the other person so that it will be beneficial for every individuals. So in the current situation, everybody knows that we have a money, we can spend the money, but we don't know where to why to manage the money and how to manage the debt and all. We don't know the information. So here I'm created the separate VIP Elite channel in my Facebook group has been created. Go and subscribe there and go and join my private Elite group. So the root analysis wealth for personality, so that you have a clear visibility. The links are given in the description so that it will be beneficial for you to join and have a nurtured about your brains. Thank you very much. The link, all the links are given in the description. Go and join and share this video to your friends and colleagues or your friend or family members so that they will get benefited. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Again, I'm telling to you, please visit my website www.madhukodidala.com so that you have a clear visibility about my profile and why I am doing these things. Thank you. Madhu Kodidala signing off. I'm a passive wealth expert. Thank you so much.